In this video, I will show you to enable developer options on your Android phone. This hidden menu unlocks advanced settings that are useful for developers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who wants more control over their device. Don't worry, enabling developer options is completely safe and you can disable it at any time. First of all, open the settings page. Scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. On some Android devices, this may be called About Device. Next, tap Software Information to view details about your phone's software version. Now, find the build number option. Tap the build number 7 times quickly. As you continue tapping, you'll see a countdown message telling you how many taps are left before developer options is unlocked. If your phone is protected with a PIN, password, or pattern, you'll be asked to enter it for security purposes. Once you've entered your security credentials, you'll see a message that says Developer Mode has been enabled. This means you've successfully unlocked developer options. Go back to the main settings menu and scroll to the bottom. You'll now find developer options listed just below About Phone or in the System section, depending on your Android version. Open it to explore additional features such as USB Debugging, OEM Unlocking, animation speed controls, wireless debugging, show touch inputs, and many other advanced settings. Keep in mind that some options inside developer options are intended for advanced users. If you're not familiar with the setting, it's best to leave it unchanged to avoid unexpected behavior. If you ever want to disable developer options, simply open the Developer Options menu and turn off the switch at the top. The menu will be disabled, although you can enable it again anytime by repeating the same steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.